What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Motion back with another video. Man, as you can tell, today we're in that X5 mama. Hey man, got my little banana. I just woke up, breakfast. It's my little breakfast for the day. You know, if you eat a banana today, you're gonna feel good. But YouTube, today's the day, man. I gotta see what we got going on. Maintenance day on the M, man. But shout out to y'all. Y'all went crazy on the last video. Y'all made 3K views. You know what that mean? We taking the track car. We taking the track car. Taking the track car, man. But right now, this is what I got right here. I got my rotors right here. Got my oil right here. You know, if y'all know me, I put the good shit in my car. I don't go cheap. I don't go cheap because you get what you pay for. You go cheap and your car is gonna blow up. But right now, I'm about to head to the gas station because man. Oh shit, I got 2 bananas. Word? I got 2 bananas. I thought I already had one. Oh, hat falling on shit. But damn, I need a haircut. But I got 2 front, 1 for the plug, 1 for the damn, bro. How y'all feeling though? Today is Saturday morning, bro. I feel blessed. I feel great. God is good. If you didn't pray this morning, click off this video. Don't click off a positive video and go pray and continue because this video gonna be straight vibes, you feel me? Straight vibes, man. Got my bananas with me. You know the car always on E, bro. Like my car is always on E, man. My car is always on E. Left for M. Yo, somebody y'all want an M. This is shit I gotta do with gas station every day. Bro, if y'all look at all my videos, every video I'm in the gas pump, bro, I'm going to the gas station, bro. This shit crazy, bro. Like, I literally got 5 miles in my tank, man. But, you know, I'm tapping on my boy Fonzie today. Fonzie, however you say it. But just know, he about to get me right. That, bro. I got stuff on the way for y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie. But we in the M today. Whew. Damn, bro. Bro, I swear y'all, Audi drivers cannot drive, bro. Like, I just got cut off by an Audi early morning, bro. Like, is it cause I got that Beamer? Dang, man. Bro, if y'all watched my last video at the pump, I was at Wawa, just one Wawa. And I'm thinking I'm pumping 93. I'm pumping 92. What's that about, Wawa? Y'all dropping it down on people that was saying nothing, though? But yeah, peep the drip. This Concord right here. Shout out to my boy Drew. Got me right with the Concord drip. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. I know you got a big ass shot on me, but I'm gonna show y'all in a second. But today's gas price is $3.69, which is not too bad. I've seen crazier, but you know how I go. You know how it go. But it's gonna cost me like a cool $80 to fill my tank up. But let me show you the Concord. People just looking at me because I got a camera in my hand. Bro, 4x4 details, bro. I was just talking about them, bro. But, hey, man. Y'all can see this? Concord on the pants. Damn. They got me right. But, keep the M, though. Man. She about to get right today, man. And I'm trying to get a little detail after, but my boys at 4x4, they playing with me, man. They playing with me. So I'm gonna try to see what's up with them. So YouTube, you know, 4x4 details. That's one of the owners right there. That's crazy. I was talking about it before about getting a wash, cause, bruh, I need a crazy wash. Look at my rims, bruh. I need a crazy wash, but they about to get me right though. Dang, today cost $81 to fill me up. 81 cash. Like for an M though, huh? But that'd be great if I could get a detail today, bro. That'd be so great. Just like a weekend car maintenance vlog type beat. But hey, man. Conquer though. I can see it a little bit better here because outside I'll just get straight shadows. You see it Conquer on this tight on the hoodie. But we're on the way to Fonzie right now. I'm gonna tap in when we get there. This guy is not serious, YouTube. We'll pull up in that Lambo. I don't know. Dude said, I don't know what he was talking about, but he just pulled up, y'all. In that Lambo. Lamb talk, lamb talk, lamb talk, lamb talk. That's my boy, though. I'm saying, waiting at the gate. Thinking, like, what's going on? Am I get my car done today? Need my car done, need my brakes. But, you know, out of nowhere, I hear, boom. Bro, downshifts. Look behind me, I see a Lambo. Damn. Hey, 50K? No. 10K views, driving a Lambo. Damn, man. 10K views, taking a Lambo home. 50K views, rebuying a Lambo. Something like that. But, amen. I was about to get tight because, like, I was like, no, my day is done. My YouTube, look at the brakes. Look at the brake pads. Nah, these things is huge. Like, whew. These are the fronts. Dang, man. Got the power stop. If y'all know, y'all know. But YouTube, check out the rotors. But yesterday, I blew my subs out. I don't know. I was driving to DC. I was listening to some music. All you hear is blow. No bass. It was a straight vocals.
You thought it was exhaust, right?
I thought it was my muffler.
Came with a gift.
What the? Nah, what?
Yeah.
Where'd I get this from? Beamer World?
Yeah,
Shout out to Beamer World.
Customers right there. Customer appreciation.
Give you some candy. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna remember that.
That's right.
It's crazy though. But yeah, blew my subs out yesterday, so I gotta get new ones. I got them coming in tomorrow. Gotta get that swapped out. But these brakes is huge though.
Come on, bitch.
About to get the 4C package.
What's about time?
About time.
Ooh,
The thing
this,
is
baby.
huge.
This is a good product.
Now what's what? This the front, back, rear?
This is the front. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. These are 34.4 millimeters.
How'd you know?
Because it says right here.
I'm like, what?
There you go.
Yeah.
This is diameter of the whole rod. It says all the measurements. If you want to start it, yeah, you can start it. I know the measurements for Subarus, Audis, and some of Mitsubishis.
It's the before. Nah, that's the after. These are the before. Look at the crazy difference.
About to give it a nice.
But hold on, y'all. Y'all killing it, bro. 3.2? 3.2? Damn, 3.2. Big buddy track cock. Hey, bro, I got the track cock on the way for y'all, bro. I'm gonna show you the track cock in a minute. I just wanted to tap you on. I had to say that real quick. Yeah. YouTube. Got the car to lift. Right now, he getting the wheels on. But look at the rotors. These things are huge. And the brake pads. I don't really need new brake pads, but if you replace everything, I would just do all that at once. Still don't gotta do it again. But everything look good though. The difference between y'all mechanic and my mechanic, he's going deep in. Y'all mechanic would have just changed the rotors and called it a night.
Make the money.
He's going right in.
Always.
What is degreaser right here?
Yeah.
Here's some degreaser.
Doesn't hurt the paint, doesn't hurt anything. It's especially just for breakdown.
Just an extra step. First wheel done. It looked like it's fresh off the lot. Woo! Fonzie. Let him know. Nah, this don't look smooth though. I ain't gonna lie. But just wait, man. We got crazy content on the way for y'all with the M, and hopefully more cars. So
Definitely more cars.
definitely more cars. Not hopefully, definitely more cars. But we're gonna have stuff for you for the future. No.
You healed?
YouTube though, peep the lamb chop. What y'all saying? What y'all saying? How y'all feel about a lamb chop? You think we should get one for the channel? Y'all gonna see me in a lamb chop for the channel? Hey man, that's a beastie car, man. I should get a lamb chop for the channel, right? I should get a lamb chop for the channel. Dang, bro. Lamb chop go dumb. Peep the carbon fiber. It's raining a little bit. Peep the carbon fiber though. I forgot what it's called. He told me last time, but fancy. But nah, the lamb chop go stupid, bruh. 50K views. I'm in a lamb chop. 50,000. But peep the X5 though. That's a regular X5, but we got GTRs right here. The Tracky not here because he said the Tracky's taking photos right now. So the Tracky is right now because he's trying to sell it. So he's taking photos to sell it. So I guess one of the Trackies here, we're gonna be behind the wheel on our track. But X5 still on the lift. He got me right. The rears gotta be changed still. Bruh, he did some good ass work. I ain't gonna lie. Like his quality work, like he takes it to the next level. Like I'm really learning, like what he's doing. Like I'm really learning, like quality over quantity. Like he's doing quality work. So like I can relate to that because with YouTube, like I ain't just trying to drop content. I'm trying to drop quality content. Sometimes gonna grasp the viewer's attention, but yeah, man, it's all a learning process for me. So I just love being at the shop, man. Just can't wait to see how old it becomes.
Hey, brother.
And this is just the beginning, so just can't wait till, you know, this is just the beginning, man. Can't wait to see how the shop goes. So y'all gonna see it. Stay tuned to my channel. You gonna see the shop. You see it now. You're gonna see it a few months later. It's crazy.
Yeah,
All right, YouTube. We got all 4 brakes and rotors, every single side shining like new. Now we just about to do the oil change.
don't look at them too hard. Make you blind, baby.
We about to get that oil change.
Right quick. That should be called a day.
Right here. Yep. We about to save the oil and send it back to FCP Euro like I told you on the first video. Save your oil, send it back to them. Lifetime warranty on the oil. So make sure I do that. Save y'all some money. Save me like 130 bucks.
Easy.
So just keep doing that, y'all. So my guy right here said, in order to see if the oil is good, you need to taste the oil. But this oil is black though, damn. All them bourbon north, the turbos, blah 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 blah. Making all the oil black.
Yeah.
Dang, she's black. That's sleep pitch black. Good thing I'm getting it changed today though.
This thing is gonna run like a clown now.
Yeah. Downpipes up in there somewhere.
Show them the brake instruction you gotta do every time you change it.
Oh yeah, the instructions. So when y'all change that brakes, shops probably don't do this, but this shop over here, he does everything extra. But you want to do 5 aggressive, basically go 40 miles to 10 miles per hour 5 times.
Because if you don't do that, you crystallize your brake pads and rotors. That's why you see the burns in the motor squares.
Okay, all right. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go from 40 to 10. So I just break it slow from 40 to 10.
Yeah, that's exactly what it says there. No better way to explain.
Nice. Then you're gonna drive after 5 minutes. I'm gonna do that. I'm going just 40, slow, 40, slow, 5 times.
Yeah.
And then, so I don't warp my brakes. All right, YouTube, she back on the ground. Fonzie stage 2 package, maintenance package. All fluids replaced. But hey man, she look good. She's about to get the oil.
You want to hold the bottom?
Yeah. Dang, YouTube, I forgot to get the final outro, but hey man, it's raining right now. Got the car ready up there. But hey man, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Stay tuned to more videos, more content on the way. I got y'all. Catch me in the next video. Peace out.